To conclude Music in Our Schools month, lower school students enjoyed several performances by our talented USchool musicians and cheered for their classmates as winners of the poster contest were revealed.